The Aeromarine 39 was an American two-seat training seaplane ordered by the U.S. Navy in 1917 and built by the Aeromarine Plane and Motor Company of Keyport, New Jersey. Of conventional biplane configuration and construction, the aircraft was designed so that its pontoons could be speedily detached and replaced with wheeled undercarriage for shore operations. 50 of the original design, later referred to as the 39A, were produced, featuring twin floats and powered by a Hull Scott A7 engine. A redesign followed, increasing the wingspan to create more lift for water takeoffs. This became known as the 39B. Other changes included a change to a single pontoon with outrigger floats, an enlarged vertical tail, and a change of power plant to the Curtiss OXX. On October 26, 1922, Godfrey de Courcelles Chevalier landed a 39B on a moving ship, USS Langley, the first time this had been achieved on an American aircraft carrier. Trials of underway carrier takeoffs and landings continued through 1922 and 1923. An example of a 39B is preserved at the old Rhinebeck Aerodrome, although it has been severely damaged by two fires, one in 1966 and one in the early 1980s. United States Navy. General characteristics. Length, 30 feet 4.25 in, 9.25 m. Wingspan, 47 feet 0 in, 14.32 m. Height, 13 feet 2 in, 4.01 m. Wing area, 494 square feet 45.89 square meters. Empty weight, 1,939 pounds 880 kilograms. Gross weight, 2,050 pounds 931 kilograms. Max takeoff weight, 2,505 pounds 1,136 kilograms. Power plant, 1 times Curtiss OXX 6B piston, 100 HP, 75 kilowatts. Performance. Maximum speed, 73 miles per hour, 117 kilometers per hour, 63 knots. Range, 273 miles, 439 kilometers, 237 nmi. Service ceiling, 8,200 feet 2,500 meters. Power/mass, 0.049 HP/lb, 80 W/kg.